Welcome to another update from the Force 13's Australia Oceania channel. Currently on the screen, it's another look at the GFS model for precipitation for the Australian eastern region, taking in Papua New Guinea and the southwest Pacific region along with New Zealand. This information is currently available on the Tropical Tidbits website, and this is out to about the 3:40 hour mark. Areas of interest is the southwest corner of WA, the Coral Sea region, and taking in New Zealand's southern end of the North Island, including the state of Tasmania. A look at various models where a possible low pressure system in the South Indian Ocean. The CMC is the one that's indicating further deepening, but the other models aren't lending support. They have it as a weak low pressure system. We have a look at the tropical cyclone formation probability guide, which lends support to a possible tropical system or tropical signal. The Bureau of Meteorology has nothing on their books. Now we turn to the latest from the Bureau of Meteorology, various marine wind warnings. Strong wind warning is in place down there in Victoria for the central coast and other areas, and Tasmania, central north coast, east of Flinders Island, southeast, southwest coast. Cancellation for the Bank Strait, Franklin Sound. We have one over there in WA. And a flood watch remains in place up there in the Northern Territory in the Eastern Inland Rivers District. The information hasn't really changed since yesterday, and this is the latest 12-hourly rainfall via the Bureau. In Central Australia and the Northern Territory, the Western coast of WA, right up to north of Perth for light rainfall. The tropical North Queensland coast, but more for the state of Tasmania, the west coast and the northern coast. Now this is a closer look across the next 4 days. And you can see the rainfall to the south of Perth, Bunbury, and down to Cape Leeuwin. And light rainfall across to Albany, and the rainfall scale intensity, the right hand side of the screen. State of Queensland, you can see area southwest of Uadangi down to Badawi and right across to Bundaberg. Area Innisfail, Tully, Ingham. And the area south of Bundaberg, right down to Yamba in New South Wales. Then Cooktown to Mackay. Now we have a look at the northern and western region of the state of Tasmania, correction. And 10 to 15 millimetres for the area around Queenstown. And later in the week, how the picture changes. Look at that area in light green to dark green. The Bureau does update their information 12 hourly. And let's see what they say about the total forecast of rain across the next 8 days. This is the first 4-day block. The second 4-day block. And a little bit of blue over there on the west coast of Tasmania. However, look at that small area in pink purple out there in the Coral Sea. Now we look at one weather model for low pressure. Are we going to see another east coast low form off the New South Wales coast around the 16th of this month? It could drop to 983 hectopascals. But when viewing this sort of information, caution has to be applied because the picture does change. The latest Himawari 8 view of the Solomon Island region. Now we look at the wind feature, 1 or 2 models. And there is a low pressure system located 35 south, 103 east at 1002 hectopascals. Clockwise winds to within 300 nautical miles of the centre. The Bureau of Meteorology has this low pressure system on its books via their high seas forecast page for the region.
You can follow Force 13's outlets, the website force13.co.uk, at your service at any time. You can also find us on YouTube, the channel, search Force 13, all in text, and subscribe if you haven't already. You can also find us on Facebook at Force 13, and it's at Force 13 on Twitter, that's the handle to contact us there. You can also add Fool13 on Skype, that's FOOL13, and add extension 9094 on Discord for tropical weather chat.